Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Jeanette and this is the Crafty Hobbit channel. This is a new in the shop video for a handmade storage box in the Shabby Chic style with beautiful blue and gold hues. I'm excited to bring this box to you because I have two of these boxes in the shop, a small and a medium size, and this one is the medium sized. This is a vintage songbird theme with distressed chippy paint style and that romantic style decor that we know and love for decorating our home. You can use this box as an inspiration to create your own matching design with a DIY decoupage storage box style, or you can save time and pick these boxes up here at the Crafty Hobbit. This box is beautiful, elegant, and romantic with a paperboard or the pressedboard style. They're also known as dresser boxes, but this is completed in the Shabby Chic style and it features soft hues of blue and gold on a chippy paint style finish. The vintage songbird theme goes all the way around all sides and it has a gorgeous flowing messy bow accent on the lid. The inside is a distressed style and we have the embossed decorative scrolled edging around the border of the lid. This is a lovely box. It's the medium size to pair with the small one if you like, or stand alone on its own merit. It would look great in a guest room, on a fireplace mantle, a dresser, a vanity, or maybe next to the bedside to tuck away reading glasses, your phone, medications, or other items that are needed at bedtime. This one measures 7 inches by 6 3/4 inches and is available now in the shop through the QR code. You can scan right here in the video or use the first link in the video description. However, if you want to pick up both boxes, if they're still available, you'll need to use the second link in the video description, which will take you over to the shop for traditional shopping cart checkout. If you want to be one of the first to know about available items in the shop, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. And for now, thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.